We'll take mine though.
Get in there for you in a second.
That's gonna be kind of weird because we're gonna have to be right in front of these speakers.
No, put it back. If your cord isn't long.
My card's not gonna. It won't reach that far.
One for us.
Oh, okay. So hold on. You probably have room to put it right on those chairs.
Everybody, are you ready?
Sure. Are you ready? Are you ready? That's the real question.
I don't know. Hello? Hi, Holly. Okay, well, welcome. This is the first punk rock band to ever play in a library, probably. Just a word of warning, it's going to be very loud, so, you might want to get earplugs. And don't forget, the Teen Summer Reading Program starts today. In a few minutes, you will be serenaded by the wonderful sounds of punk rock from the Charter Street Gang. So stick around and help yourself to more pizza. And I bet you never thought you'd hear anything like this in a library. See? Libraries are changing. We are the library of the future. So, how many of you have library cards?
Me.
I do. Library cards. I know you do have.
Hello. Hey. Hi, everybody. I'd like to say really quick that I'm the only member of the band that had that room in Cleveland Heights Valley, and I used to kick it in that room all the time. So all week I've been thinking to myself, if I was 8, would I like us? So I guess while I'm playing, I'm gonna be thinking about that too. I don't know. I don't know where I'm going with this one. Street Gang from Cleveland, Ohio. We got 3 more for you. This next one is entitled "He Doesn't Take Photographs of Karate America." I believe that's the full title, correct? He don't take photographs of Karate America. It's based on a true story.
house tonight. First off, you made a choice.
You see the band that no Ohio band can hold a candle.
Oh, I'm getting to that part. I'm getting to that part. Before they even made that choice, they made a choice to leave their house. Every single one of you in here could have stayed home and watched TV or had a six-pack alone. But no, you chose to leave the house.
I want to thank you guys because you chose to spend your Valentine's Day with the likes of me.
Once you left the house, you had another choice as to where you were going to go.
And I've got a small car.
Now you could have chose to go to the neighborhood bar and got drunk with some friends or by yourself. With no bands playing. Maybe a jukebox. Running way below your voice. No. But you chose to come to the Eagle Tavern to a rock and roll show featuring Party of Helicopters, the Teenage Knockouts, and the Chargers Street Gang. Now, I can't tell you why each and every one of you made that decision,
Let's be honest, Joe. They had no choice in the matter.
but I can tell you that I want you to stand behind that decision. Because now that you're here and we're here, we might as well all have a good time.
You might as well have fun.
We might as well all act like we're a rock and roll show, not just us.
Because you are part of the rock and roll show. No matter how cheesy it seems, we can practice our house all we want, but without the audience, it's nothing. And without you giving to us, what's the point of being here? So I want you to show us what a rock and roll audience can do.
I'm not expecting everyone in here to go crazy because everyone goes off in their own individual way. I know that.
We shouldn't try to hold a
But
candle.
I want everyone to do what they can in their own individual way to be at this rock and roll show.
Because we're bringing you, I don't know what you call it, a present? I don't know what would you call it. Don't try to hold a candle. It's a gift. We're bringing this gift.
I'm going with 5. I got it. All right, I got 4.
All right, ready? Let's make sure they're
Wait,
all lined up.
where's Matt? Where's Matt?
Ready?
Alright, get number 1.
All right.
Come on.
You ready? Gates open. And they're off.
Go. Come on. Oh, what the fuck?
Come on, 1. Come on, 1. Dude, how am I gonna put it in last place? What am I doing? What are you betting? There ain't no second place finish.
Yeah, might be. Ain't no show.
Whoa! I'm making a come up at the end. Yeah, I finished in second, dude.
I can.
Oh, here comes Tim.
Oh shit.
You want to do the guitar thing now? Okay.
Well, there's a point there where we make a shitload of noise, like that whole middle crazy part where we got these drums and shit out and just like make like all this rap. So you want to do that now before the guitars? Or
We could do that now.
With who? With me?
Yeah.
I didn't even notice.
It's alright. Trying to have a little show over here.
I just know some lots. I just didn't know what to do. That's true. I can find something.
No biggie, no biggie.
We're not getting. They might charge you for 2 spots. Let's drive around first.
I mean, I'm talking tender, juicy. I want to lay you down. First, I'll massage you, top to bottom, especially the bottom.
Wake everybody up.
Can't wake anybody up.
Joe, what are you doing in here? Say yes, bro. Say yes.
Life on the road. Look at what it's doing to Ruth's facial hair. Zoom in on that stat.
My favorite band? Kiss. Favorite record? Dress to Kill. Favorite song on Dress to Kill? Love Her All I Can. My favorite non-Kiss makeup album? I would have to say probably Animalized, but there's actually 2 periods from the non-makeup era of Kiss. What does Kiss do? They come back with revenge. The equally hardest, heaviest non-makeup record. The circle is complete. The pattern is complete. Favorite member of Kiss? I'd have to say Ace Frehley. Want to see my wang or something?
Come on, man.